those horror movies? With those guys is walking like that.
Oh yeah, bent over backwards.
The most disobedient shit house in the world.
Derek's a twat! Yes, he's a twat.
What have you done, Derek?
This is the first time I've met Derek.
Is it?
I met the little one a few weeks ago, yeah.
That's not like Dave.
Still looking.
Hang on. Wait, I did it wrong.
Oh.
There's a sequence.
Need some girls in bikinis here to wash the car.
Yeah, you in a bikini though.
Me?
Yeah.
Behave.
I've thought we'll do a wet t-shirt competition at some point.
Wet t-shirt.
It all started working on a series in my dad's shed. I followed my dreams and joined the Marines, serving in Afghanistan. Defenders were always part of me. So here we are, building custom machines with my awesome team in Shropshire. We are MAHKER.
Tester. Test etch.
I have to tie that to a post or something and pull it.
Bolts out first, you twat.
Or something.
Hi guys, I'm Dave for those of you that do not know me, and this is our latest venture. So this is MAHKER Trim. So for those of you that don't have this on Instagram already, we're under the name of MAHKER Trim, so MAHKER Trim. Make sure you add us guys, because we're trying our hardest to cater for everybody in the Land Rover industry, and not just the Land Rover industry. We've actually just started some Porsche seats for a classic Porsche. So Mark's abilities are above and beyond. So what we've got here is our latest console. This console is for our LS3 conversions, LT1, LT4 conversions. Nice spacious cubby box here. This is trimmed in a beautiful soft black leather hide. We don't do cheap stuff here guys. So, and as you can see here, this is our latest billet. So what we've got going on here, and I'll show you this is a Magsafe Charger. So I hate these tacky ones that you find on Amazon for 3 or 4 quid. This one's Spigden, so it's a rated brand, because what we don't want is your precious Defender going up in flames, especially when we've installed it. So keep away from the cheap chargers, guys. But what I like about this one, you can see here, it grabs the phone. So we're going to be putting 450 horsepower in your Defender. The last thing you want is your phone sliding across the dash. So nice little touch. And what we've also given you is 2 high amp USB chargers. So for those of you that haven't got the mag charging capability, we've given you the USB chargers along with a lovely shifter with tap shift options top and bottom. So I'm going to give you a little introduction of what's going on in this trim room. So Mark should really be here to do that, but he's had to shoot home, so I'm going to do it. So what we have here, this is a single needle machine. So this is what does most of the graft, you know, like just the stitches that you don't see, the strong stitching. Over here, this is our skiving machine. So this has the ability to thin out leather. So around like the vents, for instance, and on the door cards. A lot of companies don't do it, not to mention names, but we like to try and keep the materials as tight as we can to the panels, and you know, not to give that ruffled effect and crumpled effect, or we don't want wrinkles in the wrong places, if you like. And then over here, so what you see here is the twin needle finish. So this machine over here, this gives you the twin needle effect. So when you've got the beautiful twin stitches that run along edges of door cards, edges of cubby boxes, seats, that kind of thing. And as you can see here, this is a big array of the leathers that we've got. We've got some luxurious leathers that have just arrived. These ones have come from Italy. Super soft. We've got some suedes. And of course, we've got the distressed leathers like we used in Ethos. This is one of my personal favourites that I'm actually going to have some seats in my next soft top Defender made. And these ones, I want to give a shout out to Steffi. She's supplied these seat covers. These are Melvin and Moon seat covers, very popular. And we just love these little touches. So they've got zips in the back, nice storage compartments. These will fit over any Puma seat. So speak to Steffi or speak to me. We can supply these on her behalf, or she can do it. She's the UK agent for Melvin and Moon, for those of you that don't know. We've basically broadened our what's the word, you know, so there's nothing that we can't do in-house anymore, guys. So if you want an interior and you want anything doing, don't forget to drop us an email at info@maker.com. Thanks, guys.
So, Mark, what's your new toy?
My new toy, it's not just mine, it's for Sam as well, is a laser etch machine. So we can start laser etching on seats, on the leather. We can also start laser etching on the exhaust pipes and other wonderful bits that we make here.
So what's that then, that plate?
That's just a test piece to see on aluminium to etch Maker on. Obviously to make our jobs look even more professional than they already are. That's one we've been buffed out, is it? Can you still see?
Oh yeah!
Oh, Maker! We're all technical this week,
It's
aren't
not
we?
a 6.3, it's 6.2, but it's also a Mercedes, so it's got to be a 6.3.
We're all technical this week.
That's the mouth. The inlet.
Oh, intake.
The inlet to the airbox. Goes over the bumper, under the bumper, and then we reverse dimpled it to stop the water supplying up. I look forward to seeing the intake temperatures, how much lower they'll be with this in.
Yeah.
I set up the shift lights on the dash as well.
The box looks good.
Hi guys, so this camper is leaving us today. It's been a mammoth job, so we've basically given this car the full Victron work. So if you look inside here, what we've got hiding behind these seats, if you see in there, I don't know if you can peek in there. So we've got a 3-phase inverter, so this car is capable of powering 3 phase if required, hidden behind that aluminium box. Behind that box we've got 2-in lithium Victron batteries that will keep this car off-grid for a very long time. On the roof we've got some serious solar up there. This car will literally, if you look at there, that's basically telling you exactly what's going on in here. Discharge rate, charge rate, everything. So we've basically built this car to be an off-grid, you know, standalone machine that can last for a very long time and the client can enjoy his offshore time. Got one, I'll swap it.
Yeah.
Right.
three Coronas as well.
So that's it for another week at Maker. It's been another manic week. I'm just hoping that things slow down a little bit, but they don't seem to be. But anyway, thanks for tuning in, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe. We really want to get to that 10,000 subscribers. We're not far away. I think we need another 5,000. So make sure you tell your friends, share it nationwide, because soon enough we're going to do a giveaway. So we're going to pick somebody that subscribes to us soon or does a little mention on, you know, Instagram or Facebook. So don't be afraid to share it, guys. We're trying to grow this channel the best we can, because we want to help you guys. We want to help you with some tutorials and also some step-by-step videos, and hopefully pay for the guys to be here more often with the cameras. So thanks again. See you soon. That'll do, won't it?